Hi, I'm Linda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have a meal that is so easy, I almost hesitate to call it a recipe. This is assembly, but my family goes nuts for it every time we do this. So I'm gonna share it with you. Here is my Pampered Chef microwave container. It has been, I don't think they make it in this color. Last time I saw it, it was blue. This is my favorite microwave container. If you're gonna be out, you can also do this in a crock pot. Here are some pre-made meatballs. I'm going to throw them into, they're completely frozen. And there's about, this is my bread I'm gonna use. That's about a 5 meatball sub, and we're gonna make 2 of those. So we're gonna put 10 meatballs in here. To that, you add your favorite spaghetti sauce. I just found this one. This is a no added sugar, and it's really much less sweet than most of the ones that you can find at the grocery store. I really liked this one. And we just pour sauce in on top. Give it a shake. Put the lid on it. And microwave it until it's done. Microwave will vary in how long it takes, and I like to use this sensor cook setting. So while we're doing that, we'll prepare the bread. And what I like to do here is you got to make room for the meatballs. So I've got my nice big hoagie bun here, and I cut on one side and then I cut down the other to kind of make a boat. And I want to make sure that I get that out. And then I actually, because for meatballs, because we have to make room for the cheese, I will actually dig out some more of the bread in the middle there, because we want to have room. Otherwise, it's just going to fall completely apart. And then I have my mozzarella cheese. If you haven't used these wax paper wraps, they're kind of fun for cheese. A piece of wax paper works too, and put it in a plastic bag, but that's what I had. So I'm gonna cut off, this is mozzarella. I'm gonna cut off some mozzarella. You can use any kind of cheese you like. Provolone slices are a favorite in our family too. And get those in there, and it will get, that cheese will get melty when we put the hot meatballs on it. So that's all there is to do while we wait for the meatballs to finish cooking. I'll be right back. So it's been about 4 minutes. Let's take a peek at my meatballs. This is what they look like, not particularly appetizing yet. I'm going to go ahead and check the temperature here. They look hot, but they aren't. See, it's only 96 degrees, so they need another couple minutes. So what we'll do here is give them a stir. If you're going to be gone all day, this is a great crock pot recipe. Throw meatballs and sauce in a crock pot, and when you come home, dinner is ready. So we're gonna give these another couple minutes and then make sure that they're all hot and delicious. Okay, now let's see how they look. I'm gonna check them with my instant read thermometer, and they are coming in at well over the 160 degrees necessary to make sure that they're safe to eat. So we will give them a stir, and then we'll spoon them into their bread boats here. Oh, we got a boat trying to come off. That last one's always the toughest one to fit in, but no one has ever complained about having too many meatballs in their sub. Take that leftover sauce, put it on top, and that's all there is to it. Before you go, this is what I did to the insides. I broke this up. We're gonna let it dry on the counter, and we'll see this on Thanksgiving inside my turkey. So thanks for joining me for Meatball Subs. I hope you try this at home. Quick, easy, and delicious. My cameraman can't wait to taste them. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.